The legislative branch of government. Branches of government. Legislative equals Congress, it makes the laws. The executive equals the president, it enforces the laws. The judicial equals the Supreme Court, it interprets the laws. And the branches of government continued. Legislative still equals Congress, it still makes the laws. Executive still equals the president, it enforces the laws. And the judicial equals the Supreme Court, and it interprets laws. So the legislative branch. It is the U.S. Congress with the House of Representatives with 435 members, and that is by population. And the United States Senate with 100 members, and that's 2 per state. The legislative branch, it is bicameral, means there's 2 houses. It makes laws for the nation, creates a budget, confirms appointments or denies appointments, raises revenue, money through taxes, regulates interstate trade, and declares war. Congress can check the president, can override a presidential veto, impeaches the president, and Congress can check the courts, can confirm or deny judges, and it can impeach judges. The legislative powers that are expressed, which are specifically stated in the Constitution, so examples are declaring war and raising taxes. Implied are powers used to carry out the expressed powers. So an example would be build an air force. The lawmaking process. It's introduced in a bill by the senator or representative, working in committees, debating a bill on the floor of each house, voting on the bill in each house, and sending the bill to the president. Why do they write laws? Well, they take action in response to problems or issues. Individuals and interest groups shape bills, and the powers of Congress are limited by the Constitution. Virginia's legislative branch. Well, it's the General Assembly with 100 members and the state Senate with 40. Virginia lawmaking process. It's introducing a bill by a senator or representative, working in committees, debating the bill on the floor of each house, voting on the bill in each house, and sending the bill to the governor. Why write Virginia laws? Well, to take action in response to problems or issues. Individuals and interest groups shape bills, and the powers of the General Assembly are limited by the Virginia Constitution. Concerns of state lawmakers, well, they're focused on education, standards and funding for schools, public health, and that means clinics and money for those clinics, environment, water quality, state budget, it's biennial, means 2 years, and dealing with how they spend all that money. And revenue is what our taxes are going to be. Federal and state concerns, the federal or national government conducts foreign policy, regulates commerce, and provides for the common defense. The state in Virginia promotes public health, safety, and welfare. And that's all. Prez and Governor up next. Still confused? Well, rewind this track right here and picture your learning. Peace.